It sounds scary because I'm going to use the word automation. You're going to click this automation tab and you'll create what's called a workflow, but it's really easy and visual. Let me show you what it looks like just so you have some idea. So you'll create what's called a workflow, which is just a series of steps that are going to happen after a trigger. So I have this one pre-set up in your account. When you get a new lead form for your website, when a form is submitted on your website, then you can trigger a whole bunch of actions after it. So every time a form gets submitted on your site, somebody says, "Hey, I want a quote." You can trigger all kinds of stuff. And I have some cool stuff in here. Send it to Google Ads, send it to Google Analytics, add that lead to my pipeline, add notes. All this stuff is unnecessary for the question. What you can do is you can send emails. One of the actions you can do is say, send an email to the customer and make the email from no reply at abccleaning.com and make the email say, want 50% off or something. I don't know why you do that. It'd be terrible. Don't do that. And don't give them 50% off. But like you could say whatever you want. And then you can write the email right here. Dead simple. You just write out the email right there. And then if you want to send another email the next day, what you do is you add a wait and you could say, I want to wait 1 day and you hit save. And you could say, I want to send out another email. And then you write that email. And you just keep on building and building until you've had sent out all the emails that you want sent out. You could also trigger a text message. You could trigger a voicemail. If you want to drop what's called a ringless voicemail onto their phone, you could do that. So there's all kinds of actions that you can do in here after somebody submits a form. And some of these might be actions for like your internal use, like you want to notify your sales team to go follow up with that lead, or they might be send an email to the customer. But this is how you do it. It's inside of this automation tool, which I know sounds scary, but it's actually pretty easy to use once you get started with it.